More than getting free stuff. So let me show you guys a couple of the PR items that I recently got from Brown Sugar Babe, L'Oreal Paris, Garnier Fructis, and a Cologne brand. So let's jump right into the Brown Sugar Babe first, because yeah, if you don't know, I've been working with Brown Sugar Babe for a very long time, or they've been sending me PR for a very long time. And this is the collection that they sent me. This collection is super, super cute. This is what it looks like. And this is the, when did I get this? Probably around Valentine's Day. This is the Love Ballads collection, and they got like a cute little record player situation here. And it comes with 4 different body oils. I'm gonna do a separate full YouTube video on it, but I just wanted to show you guys the PR. So here it is. It's got Mi Amor, Iconic, On the Prowl, and Matcha Moni. So it's got 4 body oils in it, so which is really good because I just got rid of 8 body oils that I haven't been wearing. So that's really nice to get some new stuff. And it came with these 2 mugs that says "You Are My Love" mug. And here is a set. These are what the mugs look like. They've got like little faces on them, and they fit together like this. That's pretty cute. Okay. All right, I guess I can make some content with this when the time comes and me and my husband can use them, but that was cute, I guess. So yeah, comes with these little mugs. All right, next we've got PR hair stuff from L'Oreal Paris and Garnier. I'm gonna open the Garnier first because that one's been sitting the longest, but here is my package from Garnier. I actually like their products a lot, especially like their hair filler line. I use that a lot. So this was gifted again. This is what the box look like. It comes with a cute little headband. Okay, cute, cute. Oh, that's actually pretty cute. Okay, so it comes with a headband, and it comes with 3 styling products. The first product is a curl refresher. So when I do bring my natural curls back out, I'll be making sure I use it. It is a curl refresher spray. So if you have like a leave out or like a wash and go situation or a braid out or whatever, you've got some curling refreshing spray. Then we've got this conditioning cream gel. Okay, to help with bouncy curls. So the next time I wear my hair out, I'm gonna do like a whole braid out situation. I'm gonna use this. This will probably be my main thing to use. So this is what it looks like. Curl cream gel. And then a hydrating multi-use oil. So actually this is going to be a really nice thing to do. Like when I do my next braid out, I would braid my hair with the cream, unravel it with the oil in my hands to help with the frizz, and then use the refreshing spray. So this is like a whole little system for styling curly hair. So if you are on the hunt for new products for your curly hair, I think you should try these out. This is the Garnier Fructis Curl Sculpt, the curl line. So you've got these, and then you've got the serum or the oil. So thank you so much, Garnier. I really appreciate it very, very much. And then I got a little headband. So when I do my braid out, y'all probably see that in like a couple months because I just got these braids. But it's a cute little headband too. So when y'all see it, y'all just know it came from the PR package. So thank you so much, Garnier. The next hair care product is from L'Oreal Paris. Because you're worth it, baby. This is what the box looks like. I love the pretty pink. All right, let's see. I like this. Okay, so this is the Elvive Glycolic Gloss shampoo and conditioner. So we've got some big bottles of shampoo and conditioner. Oh, that's so pretty and pink. Gently cleanse, condition, shine boosting. So basically like for high shine hair gloss. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Why not? The next time I take these out, I'm gonna try this whole set for dull porous hair. So if you've got like a little bit of hair damage and you want to add some shine and moisture back in your hair, and I like the bottle. The bottles are cute and pink. Shoot, why not? And then here is a leave-in serum that comes with it. So thank you so much, L'Oreal Paris. I cannot wait to try it because yeah, you never know. My hair might just really like it, and then it's a staple. So I will definitely try that in a later, at a later date. And then the last item to unbox is this cologne for men. It is from Azzaro, and it's the fragrance called Wanted. Okay, Wanted Forever. This is what it looks like. I might give this to my dad for Father's Day or something. So this is interesting bottle. I don't think I've ever smelled any of their colognes or anything. So yeah, it's first time for everything. So this is called Wanted Forever. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. The bottle is really, really cute and chic. Very masculine. I like this scent. It's pretty good. Definitely giving dad vibe for sure, but it's not bad. It's a little too strong for my liking, so I'm not going to give it to my husband, but I definitely will give it to my dad for Father's Day because why not? But thank you so much for sending that over to me. I'm sure he will like it. It smells really masculine for sure. It just smells like a grown man. So anyways, that is it for this little PR unboxing haul. Stay tuned for more. Oh.